Hey guys, my name is Nicole, and I'm part of a team here at Backers Bonus, and since Sam is currently traveling, I'll be stepping in to show you what Convertifire is and what it can do for you. Well, in a nutshell, Convertifire is an all-in-one feedback tool that will allow you to spy on your website visitors and get inside their mind. See what they do when they visit your website. Alright, so let's start by going through the dashboard. As you can see, this saves you a lot of bandwidth since it can record up to 20,000 sessions a day. Below you would see the websites that are currently added into your account. And as you can see, this tool can accommodate behavioral recordings from different devices. You've got desktop, mobile phones, and tablets. You've got a settings icon here, and also delete. Under the dashboard, we have the Sites tab, which will give you an overview of all the web pages you've added into your account. And if you want to add a new one, just click Activate New Domain on the upper right side corner, enter the domain name, and click Generate License. After which, you just need to copy and paste this code into your website. Also, you've got the settings here for your web pages. If you want to exclude any devices, for recording, if you want to exclude your computers, mobile tablets, you can do that in the site settings. Or if you want to exclude your IP address, you can do that here as well. If you want to remove any of your web pages, you can just click this icon and press Delete License. That's it. Let's move on to the heat maps. Now with heat maps, this specific feature will record the heat generated that is based on the amount of time a cursor is lingering on a specific area of a page. I'll give you an example. These are the current websites that we have registered, so let's access shortener link. Let's use the login page. Check out the heat activity. Alright, so this is how the heat map activity will reflect. As you can see, we've got different shades over the page to show you where the cursor is mostly spending time with on that particular page. We have different settings here. You can adjust the opacity, or you can also filter the heat activity by dates. Next up, we have the click maps feature. It has the same principle as the heat maps, but instead of monitoring heat generated on that page, this time it's going to be the clicks done on that particular page. So let's use the same page example, which is the login URL. And as you can see, these were the clicks that were generated on this particular page since this website has been added to your account. You also have the option of filtering through dates if you just want to check on a particular day or a week of click activities. Okay, cool. So next up, we have the recording. This is where I want to focus on this review video, because I believe this is the major feature that we have for this tool, which is the behavioral recordings. Okay, so you've got the websites added in. You could see the amount or the sessions that has been recorded since it has been added into your account. You can also choose which device recordings you want to access. So in this case, let's use the same website, which is shortener.link. We've got 62 recordings as of today. And let's check out the computer recordings. Okay, so this is all that we've got so far. And as you can see, you've got different data as well included, which is the day the session was recorded, the length or the amount of time that they've spent on that page, from which location, the operating system browser that was used during the session. Let's go ahead and access this recording. Okay, so we're in the session that was recorded when a visitor was on this page. So you've got a couple of actions and settings that you can do on this dashboard. So you've got the actions. This is basically a history of the different actions or movements that was made on this page during this session. We've got the session info. It gives you details about the visitor, where it's located, the date the session was recorded, the type of device, the browser that was used. And you've got the survey tab here, which will give you an overview of the survey that was added into this page during the session. Okay, one thing about the action though is that you can add a custom event or a particular node that you want to add in the timeline. And we've got others down here, which is the play button. We have the adjustment of speed. We have the current URL the user is in. And we have here the options to remove the cursor pattern. We've got the settings icon here, which you can remove inactivity, change the background, line color, auto fade on click. And we've got here to resize the view. So let's go ahead and play the video. And as you can see, you'll start seeing the pattern of the mouse and clicks. You've got the survey that popped up. This is during the session that was recorded when the visitor was on the login page. Okay, so now we've got the conversion funnels. So with this feature, basically you can just add in a funnel on your pages. And if you want to do so, just click Add New Conversion Funnel at the upper right corner. Pick the website, click Add New, key in the funnel name. Let's just say conversion, and then add in the page funnels. And then click Save Funnel. So that's basically how you create a new funnel through this dashboard. Next, we have the feedback, surveys, and polls. These are the questions that you can add in on your page to check the user experience as well. If you want to add a new one, go to the upper right corner, add new survey or poll. Choose the page where you want to add the question in. So let's choose the same page we've been using for the demo, which is the login page. Click Add New. Click Survey Active, and how long before the survey or the question pops up once you access the page. You can delay it for a couple of seconds, or it can be automatic. This is where you add in your message or the type of question. Choose whether it's an open question, a single or multiple, or a rating. Then if you want to add more questions, just click in Add Question, then Save Survey. Alright, so basically that's how Convertifire works. Thanks for watching.